Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. The SRT racing seats are wrapped in black Laguna leather with white cross stitching and suede inserts. That's going to allow the bolsters as well as that suede to help keep the driver and any of their occupants firmly planted in that seat as they go around turns and accelerate with the amount of G's that this vehicle can pull. Dodge is very proud about this Challenger. You're going to notice in the front the Dodge emblem in chrome lettering spread out along the front edge there, the bright white racing stripe along the back, the Challenger emblem again in chrome and script, and the SRT on black on the left-hand side of the grille there. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. One of the great features of this racing machine are the 20x11 satin carbon warp speed wheels. They're going to be wrapped with Pirelli Z-rated racing tires. The braking system is an SRT Brembo braking system, black painted 6-piston calipers, 2-piece slotted rotors. Stop this thing on a dime. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.